Well, hello and welcome back. Now, this one is going to be on the Pajero, and we're going to start off with a task that I'm not capable of doing. Well, at least not yet. Look, the task in hand is rust. Well, as you can tell, there's quite a bit of rust in here. And from the underneath, there are even holes. All of this needs to come off, and new parts need to be welded in. And it's the same story on the other side of the car as well. All of this is rusted out. Now, I would like to weld it myself, but I'm not a welder and I don't have the equipment. And this seems to be a bit of a task for a first timer. Maybe I'll start with something smaller. Oh, and also, did you notice that it's bent in? Somebody tried to lift the car and it bended. So this is where a working folding seat mechanism comes in handy. So I bought needed elements, new sides that are universal, and new quarter arches that are also rusted. Let's see how this turns out. Well, as you can see, the new panels are welded in pretty nicely. Now, I do need to sand down the weld spots and put some filler on it, but I'm willing to wait for a drier period since it's been raining off and on again. In the meantime, I have something that I was willing to do for a long time. And that is to pressure wash the underside. Now that I washed off most of the grime, it's time to do a service. This is going to go horribly wrong, isn't it? It's actually going well. And the oil filter. Oh, it's hot. Let's do it like the pros do it. Refill the filter and lube up the rubber gasket. Now, the full capacity of this thing is 9.8 liters. There's definitely some in it, so let's see how much goes in. And the filter, of course. Let's see what we got. Well, it's got some dirt. And the cabin filter. Ooh, quite nasty. And wanted to make the front shield look better as well. And finally, the weather forecast is showing few days without rain, so let's get the paint off with this drill bit. And after a bit of sanding, this is what it looks. Now, the next task should be to fill these voids with some filler. So after a few days of sanding, this is what I've got. All of the major voids are filled in. I've sanded everything down until metal high spots started to show. And well, to be frank, it's going to rain for a week again starting tomorrow. So I need to finish it up today. And well, my skill level is taken me this far. I can't do any better. There still are some small voids, but that will have to do for now. I mean, there are some spots with these little indentations. I reapplied polyester poly again, sanded it down again, and they're still there. But not everything is bad, because this place I'm really proud of. Just look at it. Well, as you can see, I've masked off everything that I could. I've cleaned the surface twice with a degreaser, and this is what I'm going to use. It's an epoxy primer. Let's see how this goes. And this is how it looks after 4 coats. Actually, it looks really, really good. It's hiding most of the imperfections. Well, some do show up, but it's the first time I'm doing something like this. But just look at it. So smooth and so nice. And it actually turned out better than I expected. Now, I did reach a point where I understood that I can't make it any better, so that was the point. I realized that I had to put primer and finish this task. You know, the next one will be that much better than this one, because it was the first one. If you do have any tips for me, do please comment them down below. I will definitely read them and consider them. Now, if you made it this far, do please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye.